When was the last time you felt well? I mean really, really well. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you struggle with bloating or with skin irritation, or maybe sometimes you're a little bit more moody than you want to be? Do you have trouble losing weight no matter what you do? Do you always get a good night's sleep? Have you ever thought that it could actually be a gut-related issue that needs to be healed? Well, that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, because we are going to heal our gut. Emerging science has found that a new way to support optimal health, and it's called the new biology of wellness. It is linked to a part of your body that maybe you didn't even know existed, your microbiome. In fact, some scientists refer the microbiome as the master switch to wellness. But our microbiome is in constant instability. Everything from diet and exercise to the environment and the amount of sleep that you get is affecting it every day. So how do you maintain a healthy microbiome?
Today, I get the opportunity to talk about the Sisel Gut Essentials Digestive Enzyme. I'm so excited to be able to talk about this product. Why? Because me and my brother Caden were able to formulate and bring these products to market. This formula was designed to promote natural enzyme production, help reduce gas and bloating and indigestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. First, we packed this formula with an enzyme blend and papaya fruit designed to promote a healthy breakdown of the major fruit groups. That's fat, that's carbohydrates, that's proteins, dairy, fiber, and sugars, into simpler forms of nutrients to encourage the absorption of these nutrients after they've been broken down. Along with the enzyme blend and papaya fruit, we put alpha-galactosidase and beta-glucanase into this formula. These two ingredients are specifically designed to help the digestion of vegetables, beans, and grains. Why? These are the major compounds that promote indigestion and gas. So these two ingredients are designed to help reduce gas and discomfort. Some of these cofactors for these enzymes include thiamine, B6 vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. These help strengthen the natural production of these enzymes. They help activate and they help promote natural production of enzymes through your body. To talk about one of my favorite ingredients, you know what, not one of my favorites, but probably my favorite ingredient in this entire formulation is what I call the helper compound. This is fulvic powder. This helps produce a natural production and activation of digestive enzymes. This helps support the nutrient absorption and is an amazing compound for your overall microbiome and gut health. White chlorella was an absolute must to include into this formula. Why? Because it helps absorb the heavy metals and get them out of your system before they can do any damage throughout your digestive system or body overall. And then, like we just keep going, we packed it with ginger. Why? Because it helps soothe discomfort, promote nutrient absorption, and encourage a balanced, healthy digestive system. Chicory root and spinach powder. These help promote regular digestion. These are highly beneficial for your gut bacteria, and they help support a healthy, balanced microbiome and are heavily impactful for losing weight and promoting general wellness throughout your digestive system.
You've probably heard of probiotics before. They are used to support gut health. However, you might not know that probiotics need prebiotics, nutrients that promote the growth of good bacteria.
I am excited to be talking about the Sisel Gut Essentials Daily Pre and Probiotic today, because not only is the flavor coconut lime perfect in combination with the strawberry lemonade enzymes, but also the pre and probiotics are the perfect combination of the digestive enzymes and make a complete system for gut essentials to a healthy gut. This product is specifically formulated to nourish the good bacteria in your gut, which leads to a more balanced digestion, which then leads to the enhance of nutrient absorption, which then leads to a stronger immune system. There's a reason why they call the gut the second brain. It is because everything in your body involves around a healthy gut.
That goes way beyond gut health. I immediately noticed the energy my very first week. I seem to be more focused, I get more work done in less time, and I have also lost a few pounds without changing anything else, so that was a real bonus. This is certainly something we will continue to take daily in our family.
All right, let's dive into the product. So, if you look on the bag, you'll see a 35 billion CFU probiotics. These were selected specifically from 10 strains of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium strains of probiotics. These were made to balance your gut bacteria that will reduce the harmful bacteria that can cause digestive issues, infections, health problems. These are also designed to strengthen the gut barrier. This will enhance nutrient absorption. Also included in this probiotic blend is prebiotics. This comes from 10 grams of fiber that also is about a third of the daily recommended 25 to 30 grams a day. We have specifically picked 4 different fibers to get main benefits out of dozens that they receive. These main benefits are to feed probiotics and the good bacteria in your gut. They also promote regular bowel movements. Also, it actually helps with weight management because it helps you feel fuller, causing a suppression in appetite. These fibers have also been shown to ferment into short-chain fatty acids. These are used as a source of energy for colon cells. They support intestinal lining. They have also been shown to lower your colon's pH that slows the growth of bad bacteria. And another interesting thing is they stimulate GLP-1 for appetite suppression, which also helps with weight management. Now, let's discuss each source. The first fiber we have in there, organic acacia gum. This is a gentle, slow fermenting fiber. This helps reduce gas, bloating, other common indigestion issues. And it's also a prolonged source of nutrient for that good bacteria. Also, we've added psyllium husk. This is one of the most versatile fibers on the market that forms a really thick gel that helps reduce the risk of constipation, but also it helps you feel fuller longer, causing that appetite suppression and making you not overtake on calories throughout the day with uncontrollable cravings. We've also added inulin from chicory root. This is a rapidly fermenting fiber that ends up quickly feeding probiotics and selectively feeds good bacteria from the Bifidobacterium and the Lactobacillus. Lastly, we've added apple fiber. This contains soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fibers improve digestion, insoluble fibers help regular bowel movement health, and long-term support for gut health and digestion.
Take for 30 days and see how you feel. You're going to have better energy, better moods. You might even be able to release some of that stubborn fat that you've been frustrated with. By healing our gut, we are healing ourselves from the inside out. And you will start noticing amazing things happening. Your skin starts to glow and you just really start to have this overall amazing energy and well-being.